Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the launched CRP129X. So when you first open up the package, you're greeted with a nice nylon carrying case. First thing, once you open, you've got a few manuals, instruction manual, and information. Chargers inside, USB charger, and the OBD2 connector, and the unit. I've already previously done the setup and registration on this device. On the top of it here on the right, you've got the power button, on the left the charging port, and the OBD2 connector. Taking a look at the unit right away, one thing that this unit doesn't have, which would be nice, is on the rear is a stand to allow it to sit upright. Now that the unit is powered on, we can go through some of the features it has. The unit is a touchscreen, but it does have manual buttons here on the side for you if you'd like to use those as well. So right away we're going to start going to the update section. It looks like there's a few systems we can pull an update for. So I'm going to select all, and we're going to update these quickly. The scanner just finished all the available updates. One of the nicest features with the 129X is the free lifetime updates that are available. We're going to run through some of the settings here quickly. So you've got the ability to change and edit time zones, languages, and you can also add workshop information. One of the nice features here you have available is this mall function. This will allow you to buy the specific options or updates available. One of the nice features with the keypad here is this home button. So if you need to go back very quickly, you can click that, it'll bring you right back to the home function. We're gonna jump inside of a car here quick and show you some of the additional features it has. So when you first plug in the 129X, it's going to run an Auto Vin Detection. That will help find the make and model, and then you just need to verify a few parts. So once the make and model are verified, the scan tool is going to run a diagnostic report. This is what it looks like once it's completed. It'll flag any DTCs with any of the modules that are available. You've also got the option down here to send a copy of this. So you can put in the email you'd like to send it to, and it will email you a copy of that diagnostic report. Now that we've verified there are a few DTCs in the system here, we can go into each specific module and view the information here. You've also got the ability while you're in here to clear codes. So we're going to clear this code here. So this is the U1000 code. So that code will now be removed from our system. Once the car runs another diagnostic report, you'll see it's gone. So we're going to take a look at some additional data here that's available prior to driving the car. So these two systems will be key fob information. You could select all, or you can pick specific info that you want to view, but we're going to do all for now. So this will tell you a bunch of information about each specific key fob. It's available here. So there's two pages. As you pull up on the end of first page, it'll bring you into the second page here. Let's go into the entire TPM system. I know there's a fault there because one of my TPMs is bad, so I've cleared all of them to reset. I just need to replace that first TPM here. I'm going to again select all. So these are some of the additional control modules that are able to be checked here. And go back in here on the report again. This would be the original report that was pulled here for you. Now that the car is running, we're going to look at some of the live data here. So right now we're just going to select all. So one thing that's nice is as long as the car is running proper, all the information here on the right will be blue. If it triggers that there's an issue, it'll change from blue to red to indicate there's a problem with something. So let's take a look here. If you've got the little graph symbol here, you can actually click into it and see a live graph. We're going to go into the misfire information here. What we're going to do, select each cylinder specifically. So if your car is misfiring, you'll be able to see exactly what cylinders here are showing a misfire and how many counts they have. On this car, we fixed a misfire previously, so you'll see that we have no misfires on any of our cylinders here. So we're going to take the car for a quick ride. One of the nice features that are available is we're going to select all this data here in the engine information. So you have the option here to record the data that you're viewing. That makes it simple if you're going for a road test and you want to look over the data information after. So we're going to pull this graph here. So we're going to record and then view this graph. And once I'm back, we'll go over the info. So now that I'm back from the road test, I've entered back into the main screen by clicking the home button here. Go to the data. So we've just scratched the surface on all the charting and graphing that we have access to. You've also got reset functions in here. So you have the ability to do oil light resets, battery resets, injector, TPM resets, which is a nice feature. So this is just a quick overview of some of the features you get with the launched CRP129X. Thanks for watching.